Welcome back, first grade. Today we will read another story about Chick. Ox sells lots of chick jam and chick dip at his shop. Chick needs to hurry and make more. Can she do it? What will happen? We will use the new words and skills that we learned to read about what happens next. First, let's practice our high-frequency words. We're going to play a game called Act It Out. I will use this week's high-frequency words in a sentence that you can act out. I will read a sentence and everyone will act it out. For example, it is a very hot day. So show what you would do if it was a very hot day. Be fanning yourself, looking all sweaty. Okay? So now I'm going to read another sentence and you are going to act it out. Ready? Let's play baseball. Use your pencil correctly. Be quiet. Here are some bubbles. Come with me. The race has started. And I am sleepy today. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that you know how to break words apart into all their sounds. I will say a word, you say all the sounds in the word, and hop for each. Each tile on the screen stands for a sound in the word. I will do the first one. Listen. Feet. E-t. Feet. The sounds in feet are f, e, t. I made a hop for each sound, and then I moved to the tile for each sound. Hop and move 3 tiles. What are the sounds for feet? F, e, t. Okay, let's try another one. Dip. D, I, d, I, p. Dip. Chop. Ch, aw, p. Chop. Nail. N, a, o. N, a, o. Nail. Now we're going to play a game. I will say a sentence in a secret code. You will blend the sounds to say the word that will crack the code. Look at the tiles on the screen. Each tile represents one sound in a word. I'll show you how. The sentence is the ch, I, k hatched from an egg. I blend ch, I, k to say the word chick. The secret word is chick. Very good. All right, here's another sentence. Ravi has an umbrella in k, a, s. It rains. What is the secret word? Case. You cracked the code. All right, here's another sentence. Will you be back tomorrow? Back. You little code busters. How about Grace has a cut on her chin. Very good. Now we are going to look at 2 pictures. Remember, you can change sounds and words to say new words. I'll do the first one. The word is cheek. If I change the ch in cheek to w, The new word is week. Okay, look at the second picture. Say the word chin. Change the word chin to, change the ch to a t. What is the new word? Tin. Very good. Very. All right, let's keep playing. Remember that each tile stands for one sound in the word. All right, so now we're going to use 4 tiles. Dan, hopes to win the game. Hopes. I know the n, a, m, z of many animals. Names. It was kind of you to bring a g, I, f, t. Gift. Nicely done. All right, back to the first word and change the sound to say a new word. The first word starts with hand. Change to s. The new word is sand. Now say the second word and change the sound to say the new word. The first sound is t. In tape, change the t to a sh. What's the new word? Shape. Correct. Remember that cheetah begins with the ch sound. The consonant letters CH together stand for one sound, ch. The letter CH can stand for the ch sound at the beginning or end of a word. Look at the first word, chip. The consonant letter CH stand for the ch sound at the beginning of chip. Since this word has only one vowel and is followed by a consonant, the vowel is short. Look at the second word, ch, such. The consonant letters CH stand for the ch sound at the end of such. Since this word has one vowel followed by 2 consonants, the vowel is short. Remember that shark begins with the sh sound. The consonant letters SH together stand for one sound, sh. The letters SH can stand for the sh sound at the beginning or end of a word. Look at the first word, ship. Sh, I, p, ship. The consonant letters SH stand for the SH sound at the beginning of ship. Since this word has only one vowel and is followed by a consonant, the I says its short sound, I. Look at the second word, dish. The consonant letters SH stand for the sh sound at the end of dish. Since this word has one vowel followed by 2 consonants, the vowel is short. Blend the word with me. D-I-sh. Dish. Now look at the third word. Shred. Shred. Sometimes the sound for R is combined with SH, sh, at the beginning of words. Blend the word with me. Shred. Shred. Good job. Now we are going to blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is R, When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2 and blend the 2 sounds. I, ri. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Rich. Read it with me. Rich. Now we are ready to read about Chick in a story called Rush, Chick. Then you are going to read a story called Chick Quits. I wonder why it's called Chick Quits. Chick has to make lots of jam and dip for Ox to sell. It is such a big job. Can Chick do it? Do you think she's going to do it or quit? But first, let's practice our CH words in our journal. Pause the video, go get your journal, and get ready to write some words. Number 1, chin. Dad has a beard on his chin. Chin. Number 2, chop. She will chop the onion. Chop. Number 3, much. She likes soccer very much. Much. Number 4. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Number 4 is chip. The mug has a chip in it. Chip. Number 5, rich. She got rich selling jam. Rich. Rich. Number 6 is the word chick. A mother bird fed its chick. Chick. Number 7, shop. We bought milk at a shop. Shop. Number 8, wish. He got his wish for a bike. Wish. Wish. Number 9, rush. He had to rush home. Rush. Sh. Number 10, ship. The ship went across the ocean. Ship. Ship. Number 11, girl. The girl rides her bike. Girl. Girl. Number 12 is boy. The boy reads his book. Boy. 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 Now I need you to correct any words that you misspelled before you take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Have a great rest of your day.